I'm Sharon and welcome to KG. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I share my cooking stories here, showing you how I veganize and Koreanize recipes the easy and delicious way. And today I'm gonna show you how to make Korean style broccoli side dish, banchan, in vegan mayo doenjang sauce. Doenjang is Korean fermented soybean paste, and it's one of the essential ingredients in Korean cooking. So if you have some in your kitchen, great, but if you don't, I highly recommend you getting one if it's available in your area, and of course if you're into Korean cooking. So I got this tub from a local Korean grocery store, but I know it's also available in most of the Asian markets or Walmart even these days, at least in Montreal or in GTA. And this particular one here is not gluten-free, but I know there are gluten-free options available if you're looking for one, but probably only at Korean grocery store. So the Korean name for today's dish would be broccoli doenjang mayo. Mayo for mayonnaise. Let's start cooking now. So I have a pot ready here with a little bit of water to steam the broccoli later. And here I have washed broccoli. It's about 400 grams, and I only have the florets because I used up all the stems from last time for pickling. And if you're wondering what I mean, you can check out my last video, which I will put a link maybe up here or down below. And I list all the ingredients and their exact measurements in the description box below, so check it out. Okay, let's cut up these babies now. Let's go steam our broccoli. I like my broccoli crunchy, so I'm gonna steam for just 2 minutes. You know, there are so many different research papers out there that discuss about how the broccoli cooking time or method affect nutrient content. I know that steaming for 2 minutes is a decent way to consume anti-cancer compound sulforaphane and vitamins, but I feel like stressing about it too much will counteract all the benefits you'll gain. So I'd say just cook it however you usually like to cook it and enjoy. We'll make our sauce while the broccoli is cooling down. I'm gonna squeeze some fresh lemon juice first with our good old chopstick. Just poke it, give it a swirl, and squeeze. So for the sauce, 3 tablespoons of vegan mayo, and I'll show you the recipe at the end of this video. 1.5 tablespoons of doenjang, and you can replace it with miso, but it'll have a lighter flavor. 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar or syrup of your choice, and a tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix it up and have a taste. This is good. And toss in the broccoli. Now, you may have heard Korean people saying that every cook has a distinctive hand taste. We say 손맛. Let's see what kind of hand taste I can add to this dish. But first, let me wash my hands again. Okay, let's do this. Toss around and give it a gentle massage. Okay, I think it's ready. but not ready because we're missing the sesame seeds. The magic finishing ingredient. Okay, let's plate this. No, let's taste. It's so good. You know, at this point, if it's not salty enough, because all soybean paste, doenjang, has different saltiness. So if it's not salty enough, you can add more doenjang. And if it's too salty, you can add some sliced onions or even crumbled firm tofu. That'll go really well together. Okay, so let's plate this. Some garnishing. That's it. Okay, our 브로콜리 된장 마요 is ready, and let's have a taste again. 잘 먹겠습니다. Guys, this is so impressive. The crunchy broccoli with full of flavors, and the mayonnaise is toning down the strong flavor of doenjang just perfectly. And I think all the ingredients in here is making a perfect harmony. Or was it my hand taste? Well, whatever it was, it's so good. I hope you get to make it at home. So this is 브로콜리 된장 마요. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye!
So this is how I made vegan mayo. Add half cup of unsweetened soy milk that's at room temperature, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, half tablespoon mustard, half teaspoon salt. This is Himalayan black salt or kala namak, which gives that unique sulfuric eggy taste. Add 1/4 teaspoon of that, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1 cup of any oil that's neutral in flavor. I'm using avocado oil here, and extra virgin olive oil is not recommended as it'll give bitter taste. Just blend it until it emulsifies, and that's it.